Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot hear anyone or the sound issues on your Discord. So first open up the Discord, then click on the user settings options you will see on the left hand bottom, and in the account setting on the left hand side just scroll down and just simply look for voice and video. Click on it and select the microphone correctly, the microphone that you are using, and also select the speaker or the headphone that you are using currently. After selecting the correct headphones, like the default is working perfectly for me, if it isn't working for you, you can select any other that you are using. After that, simply make sure that your microphone volume is also 100% and speaker volume is also on 100%. After that, simply close it and click on this drop down menu you will see, and right click on Discord and click on quit Discord. And now open it again and see if the problem is fixed or not. After opening it again, if the problem is not fixed, the next solution that you can try, go to your Windows search and just type settings, open it, click on systems, click on sound. Now make sure that output device is selected correctly, and make sure output device that you are using on your PC or laptop is selected in here in settings. And also you want to make sure that your volume is above 80%, and then scroll down and in input make sure the microphone that you are using is also selected, or the name of it you will see here, you can select it correctly so it won't cause any issues when you try using on Discord. And also make sure volume is 100%. After that, close it completely and then click on drop down menu and again close the Discord completely, then open it again, see the problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to Windows search again and just type sound mixer option. After typing it, just open it. Now here in settings, make sure that volume is also above 80% and the correct output or input devices are selected. And you want to scroll down and search for Discord, and also make sure that this volume is 100%, and then click on this drop down menu and select the output device that you are using currently and also the input device. You need to do this for all the Discord icons that you are seeing here. After doing this, close it, then close the Discord again completely and open it again, see the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, go to the server, click on the voice channels and look for your friend, right click on it, make sure it isn't muted. If it is muted, just simply unmute it and see if the problem is fixed or not. The next solution that you can try is click on user settings. On the left hand column, just scroll down and look for voice and video, scroll down again, then simply click on reset all voice and video setting. Click on reset, click on OK. After that, simply close the Discord. Again, close it from here. Then open it again, see the problem is fixed or not. And hopefully after all of the solution, your problem will be fixed. And if not, drop a comment down below and I will try my best to assist you. I hope this video helps, and if it did, like this video and thanks for watching.